This is the track. Start in this mound, go through here, hit the berm, over the whoop section, and go off this big 20-something foot, big 25-footer. You did it. 1. And land over here. It's 2. So you go really fast through these trees. Go through the double berm. Either go in there or out here. Of course, Crispy, Bubba's son, the nastiest rider in Mass, was here at my track. He liked it. Go off this little double, nice little 15-footer. Go off here, land here, rock to here. Go across this berm right here. Drop. Come through here pretty fast. Hit this nice big double. Another 20-footer. Drop. Land here. Keep riding. This thing comes through here in this little wave section. Down here. Up here, hit this berm, go up the straightaway, this little straightaway, couple whoops, whoop, I like it, whoop, come to this berm, hit the brake, like, as if I should tell you that, go around this and hit the step up. Another decent sized one. Drop. From there, come up here. Drop. Right up here. This is in my backyard. Right here. Go down there. This is my house. Through here. Hit this berm after you hit this one. Drop. Drop. Then you go back to the starting point. At the mound. Right here. And that's my track. Quick overview. Red line. Sorry. Rough Dog's track.